To add a widget to the home screen on Nothing Phone 4a or 4a Pro, what you can do is you can press and hold your finger on an empty space on the home screen, and then you should be able to go to Widgets. Once you open Widgets first, you will see some of the example Nothing widgets, or maybe you can see something from Essential Apps over here, but remember that you can swipe between all of these available pages. And if you want to find all widgets from all of your apps that you have installed, then you want to make sure that you are on this last page. And then in here we have the list of apps, and of course we can decide which widget we want to use. If you find a widget that you wish to add, you can for example tap on the widget to reveal the Add Widget button, or you can press and hold your finger on that widget, and then you are going to be redirected to the home screen. And there we go, we can place our widget in any place where we want to. Another way to add a widget to the home screen is by pressing and holding a finger on an app on the home screen. So if you know that the selected app has widgets, or if you want to check if it has widgets, of course, and then you want to choose a widget from a very specific app, then of course you can press and hold your finger on that app, and then you can use this icon over here, or this button, so 4 squares where one is like rotated. And then we can see widgets that are provided just by this one app, and then you can do exactly the same thing as before in order to add a widget to the home screen. And there we go. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.